How to set up your mobile phone for YouTube video recording, Pro Tips. 17-point Pro Setup Checklist. Point 1. Free up storage. Before you hit record, make sure you've freed up 5-10 GB of space on your phone. A full phone can stop recording mid-shoot without warning or even downgrade your video quality to save space. Start by deleting unused apps and clearing your download folder. Then, move your older videos or photos to cloud storage, like Google Drive or iCloud, or an external drive. Recording in high resolution like 4K takes up space fast. Just 5 minutes can eat up over 1 GB. Having ample free space also helps your phone run smoothly, avoiding lag or crashes during filming. Don't forget to empty your trash or recycle bin. Deleted files still take up room until they're fully removed. For an extra tip, clear your app caches and uninstall apps that auto-download media, like WhatsApp or Telegram. This one step can make or break your filming session. Taking a few minutes to prep your storage might save you hours of lost footage or frustrating reshoots. Point 2. Turn off mobile data and Wi-Fi. Disabling mobile data and Wi-Fi ensures you're not interrupted mid-recording. When notifications pop up, or calls come through, they can interrupt recording or distract you. Switch to airplane mode to guarantee a clean session. It also helps with battery performance and minimizes signal-related heat buildup. If you're using Bluetooth mics, double-check that Bluetooth stays on while in airplane mode. Disable social media call access. Even if your cellular network is off, apps like WhatsApp or Messenger can still ring through Wi-Fi. That's why you must also disable VoIP call permissions or background activity for such apps. Go into app settings and either restrict their permissions temporarily or use focus mode if your phone supports it. You're creating content. Treat your phone like a studio. Point 4. Turn off alarms. It's not enough to silence your phone. Check your alarm apps and scheduled reminders. An alarm going off can completely ruin a perfect take. Disable them all before filming. Also, mute timers and calendar reminders. These small noises can startle you, throw off your focus, or be captured by your mic. Add this to your pre-record checklist every single time. Point 5. Enable silent mode. Set your phone to silent mode and mute all system sounds. This includes notification tones, keyboard taps, and screenshot clicks. These subtle sounds may not be noticeable in everyday use, but microphones can easily pick them up. Silent mode ensures a clean audio track and keeps your viewers focused on your content, not random noises. Point 6. Use airplane mode or deactivate network temporarily. This is a reinforcement step. If you haven't enabled airplane mode already, do it now. Alternatively, you can go into your phone's settings and disable cellular and Wi-Fi individually. This is particularly helpful if you're using external mics or Bluetooth gear. Reducing background radio signals minimizes overheating and prevents unnecessary interruptions. Point 7. Ensure battery backup. Make sure your phone is fully charged or plugged into a stable power source. For longer sessions, consider a power bank or continuous charging setup. A battery going low mid-shoot can cause your phone to shut down, skip frames, or reduce recording quality. Monitor battery health and keep a charger close during all sessions. Point 8. Lock auto rotate. Lock your screen orientation, especially in landscape mode. YouTube videos are widescreen by default. If your phone rotates to portrait accidentally, your whole video framing will be ruined. This simple setting avoids costly mistakes. Lock rotation in the quick settings panel before hitting record. Point 9. Use a tripod or stable mount. Stability is everything. A shaky camera screams amateur. Use a tripod, a mobile rig, or rest your phone against something solid. Even a simple phone stand can vastly improve your footage quality. If you must go handheld, activate stabilization and use slow, deliberate movements. Let your camera be still so your message stands out. Point 10. Clean the camera lens. Clean your lens every time. Dust, fingerprints, or smudges create a blurry, hazy effect. Use a soft microfiber cloth and avoid your shirt or tissue, they can scratch the lens. Clear optics mean clear visuals. Do this just before recording to make sure the lens hasn't picked up dust from your pocket or desk. Point 11. Ensure clear voice, avoid recording when ill. If your voice sounds congested, tired, or hoarse, it affects your audience's experience. Choose to film on days when you feel energetic and healthy. Rested voice equals confident delivery. Also, pick a quiet space and speak clearly. Avoid recording near fans, open windows, or noisy appliances. Point 12. Monitor recording timers. Check how much time your phone can record. Some have limits like 30 minutes or 4 GB file sizes. Also, confirm how much has already been recorded. Don't just assume it's heartbreaking to finish a take only to realize it wasn't saved. Most phones show remaining time, glance at it often during breaks. This keeps your shoot organized and efficient. Point 13. Use grid lines. Turn on grid lines in your camera settings. This helps with composition using the rule of thirds. Keeps your subject framed properly. Point 14. Lock focus and exposure. Tap and hold to lock your focus and exposure. No more sudden blurs or lighting changes as you move slightly. Point 15. Use external mic. An external mic, even a budget one, significantly improves audio. Internal mics catch ambient noise. For clarity, always test mic levels before filming. Point 16. Control lighting. Shoot with the light source facing you, not behind. Daylight works great, or use a ring light. Don't rely on ceiling lights, they cast shadows. Point 17. Do a 10 seconds test clip. Film a quick test clip. Check frame, audio, lighting, and recording timer. It saves you from redoing entire sessions. Let's summarize your pre-recording checklist. You're all set to record like a pro right from your phone. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your own setup tips in the comments below. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.